Good morning. I'm Christy Duffy for SmarTrend News. Today is Thursday, August 12th, and this is your opening bell market update. U.S. stock futures are trading lower today following disappointing revenue results from Cisco Systems. Continued pressure has also been put on U.S. equities since the Federal Reserve released a statement that highlighted the economic slowdown. Economic reports due out this morning include U.S. weekly jobless claims and July import prices. In corporate news, Cisco Systems revenue from its latest quarter and its forecast for future revenue both fell short of analyst expectations. The company's shares are currently trading down by over 2%. Tim Hortons reported fiscal second quarter EPS of 54 Canadian cents this morning. Revenues for the quarter rose by 5.7% year over year to $639.9 million Canadian dollars. Taking a look at where the markets stand in early morning trade, the Dow Jones Industrial Average is trading down 0.7%. The S&P 500 is trading down almost 1%, and the Nasdaq Composite is down almost 1.5%. Now, for more perspective, let's turn it to Andy Zamfotis from Lagard Capital. Good morning, Andy.
Morning, Christy. Well, the Dow tumbled 265 points yesterday on some renewed fears the economy could be slowing. And that is the reason why the Fed announced that it could get into some quantitative easing later this year. We also had some trade data that could be a drag on Q2 GDP. Also some news out of China there that could suggest the economy there could be slowing. So all that did lead to some selling pressure. Combine that with the fact that there wasn't much of a bid around. It is August. A lot of the buyers just aren't around. So we saw an exaggerated move to the downside. Also yesterday after the close, Cisco reported earnings. They did beat the street by a penny, but revenues fell short. But more importantly, on the conference call, CEO John Chambers said he is seeing some unusually uncertainty in the market. And I think that's the main reason why we saw shares there fall by about 6 or 7% in after hours. So futures were under pressure overnight and this morning, but they have recovered. European markets are trading slightly higher. So we're seeing a little bit of momentum that could lead to possibly a bullish reversal today. The S&P is at a key level. It's right at 1088. That's the 30 and 50-day moving average. We'd like to see those levels hold not only today but into the end of the week. So we will get some economic data that could help determine whether or not that's the case. We have initial jobless claims later this morning, and we get retail sales tomorrow. So I think all this data will help see if we can close the week out strong.
Thank you, Andy. I'm Christy Duffy for SmarTrend News. For more news and market analysis throughout the day, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's Trade the Trend. Also visit our website, tradethetrend.com, for more headlines.